absolutely blow your account. If you trade indices, this video is for you. I know a lot of you like trading NAS100 and US30 as well as SPX 500. So if you are an indice trader, then you more than likely heard about this Cnbc strategy. It goes a little something like this. You go onto the Cnbc app, you create a watch list with a lot of the most important companies for US30, which is the Dow, and NAS100. You may put in certain companies such as Apple, and you check to see how many companies are red, how many companies are green, and this is going to show you the direction for the entire day or moment. And I want to show you why this strategy may work for you and why it can absolutely blow your account. Let's go ahead and test out this CNBC strategy. So I do want to just primarily focus on this strategy. I don't want to include any of my personal strategies. Let's go ahead and take a look at the companies. We have in this Dow Jones watch list, we have Boeing, Caterpillar, Salesforce, Goldman Sachs, Home Depot, Honeywell, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Microsoft, Nike, United Health, and Visa. So guys, according to this strategy, the majority of the companies are green, meaning we would be looking for buying opportunities. We are in a clear uptrend on the 1 minute time frame. This would be like a scalping opportunity. From what I'm seeing, people don't normally hold these positions for long. Guys, I found a nice place to enter if the market, after breaking the structure, pulls back into this area. According to this strategy, we would be holding this position until the companies start to go majority red. We're not really using any strategies. We're just kind of going with what's happening with the companies, solely with the companies. Even this little break of structure and like retest, I did not want to use it, but if I had to get some type of a good entry, then that is the only way that I could think of. So guys, I am waiting for price to come back into this area. At that point, I will enter this trade on a 0.01. We will hold this position until the majority of the companies go into red. The reason why I entered here is because we broke this high and I was looking for price to retest this area. And as you can see, the majority of the companies are still pretty much green, which would give confidence to a trader who is looking to buy this indice based off of this strategy. Something really interesting that I noticed was that during the retracements, the companies remain green, which could be really scary if you're completely reliant on the companies. This area is very unique because we are passing a previous high. This previous high is a great opportunity to take your profits and walk away from the deal. However, this is a 3-to-1 trade, and I'm pretty confident that with this strategy, we may be able to take profit, which is not that far off. So guys, unfortunately, after waiting for some time, we did not hit take profit. Instead, the trade started to go in the opposite direction. So of course, I said we were either going to wait for take profit or the stop loss. I did not exit the trade early. However, I did also notice that the companies remained green. In fact, there was one less company that was actually red. With the company still majority green, we managed to hit the stop loss, guys. And I want to give you a very honest opinion on the strategy. This is not something that I would use. And I want to show you the proper way to execute a trade, even if it's on the 1 minute time frame. So guys, I did go ahead and go back to this particular entry. As I stated before, that was a live trade. So here was our entry right here, and we were going for that 3-to-1. And we did notice that the 1 minute time frame was in a bit of an uptrend. So naturally, we wanted to take the trade up. On the higher time frame, let's see what we have here. I'm gonna go ahead and unmark this. And here I noticed, right, after the market tapped into a daily time frame order block. So here, somewhere up here was the daily time frame bearish OB. I'm just going to leave that here. And you would not see this information on the 1 minute time frame. It would not be available to you. So here the market went into a daily time frame bearish order block, and on the 1 hour time frame it did leave some liquidity. So although the market was in a bit of an uptrend, and even in this area here, which is the uptrend that we noticed on the 1 minute time frame here, the market was going to its objective, meaning it was headed up to a particular place to maybe take us down. So here we have an order block that I have my eyes on. It's rather big, and we have this area of imbalance. So this was a lot of imbalance in here. So I went ahead and took my fib and I marked 50% of this imbalance, meaning that I would want to be entered into a sell, possibly when we came into this 50% level, being as though this order block and this imbalance was quite big, right? So guys, the reason why we got stopped out of that trade on the 1 minute time frame is because the market was headed to this particular area. Let's go here. The market was headed to this particular area to come down. And if we go down back to the 1 hour time frame, we could have set a nice entry to follow what the market was already showing us that it wanted to do, which was to go down. So if I pull out this short position here, and let's just say that I set my stop loss maybe right here, I would be targeting lows, right? And here we have a almost 4-to-1 trade, and I'd go ahead and press play just to simply show you as to why you were stopped out of that particular trade. So guys, always go to the higher time frame and then make your way down and catch your opportunities on the 1 minute time frame. But whenever you are on the 1 minute time frame, even if you want to be in and out of the market, always make sure that you are trading on the right side.